When choosing a micro SD card, users look for fast read-write performance, durable build quality, optimal capacity layouts, and strong overall value. This guide evaluates today's leading micro SD cards to help photographers, smartphone users, action camera owners, and gamers pick the perfect option for smooth operation and dependable storage.
List number 1. Samsung Evo Select microSD memory card plus adapter. The Samsung Evo Select microSD card remains one of the most popular choices thanks to its reliable performance, strong durability, and excellent everyday value. Designed for smartphones, tablets, Nintendo Switch, action cameras, and drones, this model delivers fast read speeds that make loading apps, transferring large files, and capturing HD 4K footage incredibly smooth. Samsung's long-standing reputation for high-performance flash storage is evident here, making it a favorite among casual users and content creators alike. This card is built with UHS-I technology and offers impressive read speeds suitable for sequential video recording and fast media access. While its write speeds are not the absolute fastest on the market, they are more than sufficient for typical users handling HD and even basic 4K video. Samsung ensures durability with water, temperature, magnet, and X-ray resistance, critical for outdoor and travel use. The included full-size SD adapter adds versatility, allowing users to transition seamlessly between cameras, card readers, and laptops. For budget-focused buyers who still want a dependable, well-balanced microSD card, the Evo Select offers the perfect blend of performance and affordability. Whether you're filming adventures, storing apps, or expanding device storage, it provides consistent results without the premium price tag. Overall, it's one of the best all-around micro SD cards on today's market.
List number 2. SanDisk 256GB Ultra Micro SD XC UHS-I memory card with adapter. The SanDisk Ultra series is widely known for offering dependable performance at a budget-friendly cost, and the 256GB Ultra Micro SD XC continues that tradition. Ideal for Android smartphones, digital cameras, tablets, and handheld gaming devices, this card focuses on delivering smooth app performance and reliable Full HD video recording rather than pushing top-tier speed specs. For most mainstream users, that balance is exactly what they need. With fast read speeds designed for quick file transfers and app loading, the SanDisk Ultra ensures everyday usage feels responsive. While the write speeds are not built for heavy-duty 4K workloads, they perform well for casual photography, HD video capture, and general media storage. This makes the card an excellent choice for families, travelers, and students who need dependable capacity without overspending. SanDisk's built-in A1-rated performance boosts app-based usage, making it well-suited for expanding phone storage. Durability is another highlight. This card is designed to withstand harsh environments, moisture, X-rays, and extreme temperatures.
List number 3. Amazon Basics microSD XC memory card with full-size adapter. Amazon Basics has become a go-to option for budget-conscious buyers who want dependable performance without unnecessary extras, and its microSD XC memory card is a strong example of impressive value. Offering the essential features most users need: good read speeds, reliable recording capability, and wide device compatibility, this card performs well for smartphones, cameras, tablets, and gaming devices. While not aimed at professional videographers or those recording intensive 4K footage, it handles full HD video, app expansion, and general file storage efficiently. The UHS-I speed rating ensures smooth performance in everyday tasks, like capturing photos, downloading apps, and streaming media. For users who prioritize storage capacity over cutting-edge speed, it strikes an excellent balance. Durability is enhanced with protection against water, shock, and extreme temperatures, making it appropriate for outdoor use or travel. Its reliability is especially appealing to buyers who want a trustworthy card from a brand known for delivering consistent quality at competitive prices. The included full-size SD adapter increases versatility, allowing seamless use with computers and cameras.
List number 4. SanDisk 512GB High-Endurance Video microSD card. If your priority is non-stop reliability for continuous recording, the SanDisk 512GB High-Endurance microSD card is one of the best options available. Designed specifically for dash cams, home security cameras, surveillance systems, and body cams, this card is built to endure thousands of hours of looped recording without failing. Where typical microSD cards may wear out over time, the high-endurance line is engineered for long-term durability. SanDisk optimizes this card for 4K and Full HD video capture, ensuring smooth, interruption-free footage. This is especially crucial for dash cams and security systems, where missed frames can mean losing important evidence. The card's high write endurance makes it more resistant to data corruption and performance degradation under constant workload, something standard microSD cards are not designed to handle. Despite its specialized purpose, the card remains versatile and can be used in drones, action cameras, and other demanding devices. It is protected against extreme temperatures, moisture, and impact, making it reliable in harsh environments such as hot car interiors or outdoor settings.
List number 5. SanDisk 256GB Extreme microSD XC UHS-I memory card with adapter. The SanDisk 256GB Extreme microSD XC card stands out as one of the best high-performance options available, especially for action cameras, drones, mirrorless cameras, and smartphone power users. With blazing fast read and write speeds, this card handles 4K UHD, burst shooting, high bitrate recording, and rapid file transfers with ease. It's a top choice for content creators who require speed and consistency. The Extreme series features UHS-I, U3, and V30 ratings, making it ideal for capturing smooth, uninterrupted 4K video. Photographers will appreciate its ability to handle fast, burst sequences without lag, while drone pilots benefit from its stable, high-speed recording. App performance also gets a boost thanks to the A2 rating, which enhances loading and multitasking speed when used as expandable smartphone storage. SanDisk's rugged design ensures resistance to extreme temperatures, shock, water, and X-rays, perfect for travel, underwater housing, and outdoor filming. The included SD adapter broadens compatibility with cameras and card readers, making transfer seamless.